152 divided by 38. I'm going to work through this kind of fast, so you may want to rewatch it a couple times if you have trouble following it. Since we have a 2-digit divisor, we start with the first 2 digits of the dividend and ask, how many 38s will it take to make 81? Again, we're going to use rounding to help us estimate the answer. 38 is close to 40, and 81 is really close to 80. And since 80 is 2 times 40, my estimate for the first answer digit will be 2. 2 times 38 equals 76. And 81 minus 76 leaves a remainder of 5. We know our estimate was just right because 5 is less than our divisor of 38. Now we move on to the next digit. We bring a copy of it down and combine it with our 5 and ask, how many 38s will it take to make 57? That one's easier to estimate, just 1, because it's easy to see that 2 38s would be too big. 1 times 38 equals 38, and 57 minus 38 leaves a remainder of 19. On to the next digit. We bring down a copy of the 1, and now we ask, how many 38s will it take to make 191? That's a bit tougher. To estimate, I'll round those numbers to 40 and 200. And I know that 5 40s makes 200, so 5 is my estimate for the next answer digit. 5 times 38 equals 190. And 191 minus 190 leaves a remainder of 1. Moving on, we bring down a copy of our next digit and ask, how many 38s will it take to make 15? Uh-oh, 15 isn't big enough to be divided by 38. But don't worry, we already know what to do when this happens. Whenever we're trying to divide a bigger number into a smaller number, we just put a 0 in the answer line and move on to the next digit. We bring down a copy of the 2 and combine it with our remainder of 15. Now we ask, how many 38s will it take to make 152? To estimate this one, I'm going to round those numbers to 40 and 160. And since 4 times 40 equals 160, I'll put 4 in the answer line as my estimate. 4 times 38 equals 152. And 152 minus 152 leaves no remainder, and we're done. Wow, that was a